Hello. Thanks for being here. Today, we'll explore how to set up rules to modify budgets on MisterCMO. Let's start by creating our first increase budget rule. Click on Create Rule and give the rule a name, such as Increase Budget Test if CPA is less than X. For CBO campaigns, where the budget is defined at the campaign level, choose Campaign as the filter. If the budget is applied to the ad set, choose Ad Set as the filter. In this example, we'll select Campaign, then decide whether to apply the rule to one or more specific campaigns or to all campaigns in your ad account. Now go to the task settings and select Increase Budget. Here you can adjust the frequency with which the rule is applied. For example, if you only want the budget to increase once a day, set the frequency limit to once a day. You can also increase the budget by a percentage or a custom value. In this case, I'll set the budget increase to 10%. Next, set the conditions for when the budget should be increased. For example, I want to increase the budget if there are more than 5 purchases and the cost per purchase is less than 15. Add the condition, website purchases greater than 5 inches, and set the date range to today. Then, add another condition for the cost per purchase, where the cost per website purchase is less than 15. Our rule is now ready. You can save it as a draft or activate it immediately. Thanks for watching. If you want to automate your marketing channels, we're ready to help at MisterCMO.com. See you in the next video.